All right, ladies and gentlemen, the EU regulations have gotten so much out of hand, so much so that Honda has decided to discontinue the Civic Type R for Europe. It's sending it off with the Ultimate Edition. We're going to get into it because it has some upgrades. It has some unique parts. It is the Ultimate Edition, but stick to the end of the video so you can hear everything about it. What is going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, do your boy a solid one. It really helps the channel. Hit the subscribe button or the like button if you guys are enjoying it. So the EU regulations have gotten pretty gnarly. By the way, this is the video that we're playing up top. This is the final edition or the Ultimate Edition of the Civic Type R. The EU regulations have gotten pretty gnarly. It's the GSR2 kind of bill or regulations. Pretty much the emissions have been so tightened that Honda has decided to discontinue the Civic Type R in Europe, and it's sending it off with 40 units, which is super nice, but it really sucks to see it. Let's get into it, and we have the article here from Car Scoop. It says Honda kills its hottest car in Europe, but it's not going quietly. The 40 unit run of Type R of the Civic Type R Ultimate Edition marks the end of the road for the Type R in Europe, a victim of the EU regulations. Let's get into some pictures before we hit the article. This is the front end right here. It's obviously going to be championship white. It's got some decals, which is that I'm not really a fan of that middle red decal or the side one, but hey, they want to add some stuff. They wanted to add some stuff just to kind of send it off. It does have a badge right here that we can see. It's called the Ultimate Edition. We do get some carbon fiber when it comes to the door still here. That's pretty cool. When you open the door also, you're going to get that light up LED lamp, but there's also something going on in the rugs that we're going to talk about. And you also get a little gift. You get a plaque that tells you Type R Ultimate Edition 1 out of 40 or whatever number you got. And you get, I believe it might be a keychain also with it. But let's jump into the article. And it says Honda's building 40 Ultimate Edition Civic Type R's for sale across Europe. Each is championship white with red decals, carbon fiber details, and a gift box. By the way, the GSR2 regulations is pretty much the one that snubbed out the Toyota GR86. So Europe has got a real problem in their hands, and they want to implement this whole this whole like EV and all regulations mandate. And it's just forcing companies just to kind of bail out on Europe, to be honest. Now it says just 40 examples of the Civic Type R Ultimate Edition will be available across Europe ahead of the entire R line being withdrawn in 2026. Each car comes painted in the Honda signature championship white, wearing red stripes across the hood and along the bottom of the door to match the Type R color of the famous H badge. Now it says more color contrast comes in form of a painted black roof, various carbon fiber items, including a rear wing. So the rear wing is carbon fiber. Opening the front door reveals the Type R logo that we saw on the bottom, a carbon fiber seal trims, and a little bit more composite and more carbon fiber pretty much on the interior. Now, the Ultimate Edition buyers are also treated to additional lighting that picks up at the door lining, cup holder, footwell, and under seats area. Not that any of that sounds any good, like the kind of things the Type R fans care about, and it's the truth. But the gift box, each of them will come with a gift box containing a number emblem, which shows which vehicle you have out of the numbers. Like if you got 5 out of 40 or 10 out of 40. Plus a carbon fiber keyring. Honda is also throwing in a set of custom floor mats and a car cover, which could be handy if any buyers is thinking of kind of keeping their car as an investment. So it says Honda hasn't revealed prices for the Ultimate Edition yet, though it is more likely, which is going to go up higher than the actual current cost, which is 51,000 euros in the UK and 58,000 in Germany. Is most likely going to come back up, go back up definitely for the Ultimate Edition. But I want to get a little bit into the GSR2 legislation. So the CTR is being withdrawn in the region because it doesn't meet the new GSR2 legislations that mandate the fitment of driver monitoring technology. The same regulations also forced Toyota Europe to stop importing the GR86 and Porsche to withdraw the combustion 718s. It is not a fiction, or it's not a mystery that in Europe people are buying a lot more EVs. It's funny because they're buying a lot more EVs, but they're not buying a lot more Tesla. Tesla sales are actually tanking in Europe, but the regulations are made for that. And that's what happens sometimes when you hear like Dodge saying, oh, we're going to kill off the Hemi, and then we're going to give you the EV Daytona. And people said, no, it was because of the regulations. Thank God that this administration that we have now kind of reversed those EV mandates, because we would have been in a pretty big trouble if this would have continued. You would have had companies kind of ditching out on us, just like Honda's doing right now. And I wonder why you know, the European Parliament is doing things like this. You know, we've already seen the whole climate change thing. It's already, you know, there's no reason to do this, but the regulations keep getting stricter, and companies like Honda are being forced to kind of withdraw this. And now the Civic Type R, which has been in Europe forever, now it's only going to stay in Japan and the US. Hey, you know what? Good for us, because they're staying here in the US, but kind of sucks for the people in Europe, because these dumb regulations now are forcing companies to do this. But anyways, the Civic Type R is being discontinued in Europe, and Honda's sending it off with a 40-unit run of the Ultimate Edition. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll read you. Hit the thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. Really helps the channel. I am out of here.